Here is a Nissan Versa. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. So let's start with the rear left door. Open the door and right over there is a switch to activate the feature. Just push it in and now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside just as normal. However, on the inside, once I close the door, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door. Lock, unlock, doesn't matter. So what am I going to do to get out? I'm just going to slide over there and open the right side door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. So open this door, open the left side door from outside. All you have to now do is push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature. And now let's try this out. I can open it from outside. And on the inside, when it's in the lock position, I should not be able to open. Unlock, I can open, and that's good. Open the right side door from outside and then push the switch in. The feature is activated. Exact same process as the left side, no differences whatsoever. On the inside now, no matter what I do, I should not be able to open the door, and I cannot. So what am I going to do? You already know. I'm going to open that door and get out. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for each of the doors, because you don't want the child to just slide over there to the other side, open the door and get out and cause any issues. So for now, let's just go here, open this door, open the right side door from outside, push the switch outwards to deactivate the feature. I can open it from outside, and on the inside, only in the unlock position I should be able to open it, and yes, I can. And that is pretty much it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film their videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.